Hey guys, are you excited to build this awesome building block bike? Kind of looks like Lego, but why not give it a try? Let's open it. Whoa. So we got everything here. I'm gonna just use the box. And you know what? Let's throw out the box. Ready? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's out of here. Let's get to the main part. Okay, so what do we have? Of course, we're gonna need a manual. And holy, we have a lot of stickers. God, I like how they did this with the stickers. Instead of Ducati, like the bike brand, they put it Ducatos. And let's get on to the main thing. Building the bike. So first, we're gonna take out. Okay guys, this is another amazing find from Temu. And the brand is called Toylinks. So it's an amazing brand. So like, y'all gotta check out Temu. It has great stuff. So, let's start. Okay guys, so I've opened everything. I'm starting to open everything up. I'll just let you know that don't open everything at once, because this thing has over 800 plus pieces, which is a lot, and you should keep an eye out. So, I'm just opening a few bags, and let's get started. As you guys can see, as I'm opening up all the pieces and like, you know, how as I'm starting to build, you can see how detailed this is. And then at the end of the video, you're gonna see how awesome this bike turns out. So right now, I am assembling the main frame of the motorcycle currently. And yeah, I mean, I'm getting started on it, which is pretty good. As you guys can see, the frame is kind of coming together, which is pretty good. And right now, currently I'm making this engine. Right here, you see? And then the cool part is, it moves like real pistons. Right, so it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna add that on as it says in the steps. So do it like that. Okay, and that's the tire on the back. So as what I'm trying to say is that the finished result will be just like that. Oh, hey guys, I just wanted to show you something really cool I did. So here we have some gears, and if you look up a little, you can see the engines are moving. Pretty cool, right? Finally, I finished the bike. And now, all I have to do is put the stickers on. These are the stickers, so let's get ready and put them on. Okay, so we're done now. So Here I have the stickers. Ducato V4 has some pretty cool stickers on the top as well, and on the wheels if you don't see. So that's what I made. Has an awesome engine. All that stuff. I put the exhaust. Okay, there's a sticker here. Sticker. And just to let you know, they're the same stickers on the other side. Now, I just want to show you something really, really cool. I made an addition for this. It's a stand! Awesome! And I made this. This also came part of the Lego set. It's a pretty cool motorcycle stand. I'm just gonna put it on the bike. So first lift up the tire and slide it in. Just gonna find it. Whoops! I'll fix that. There we go. Then I fix this like that. Boom. Still works. Very good build, pretty detailed. And it does take a lot of time to build it. Like for me, it took me a few days. And one thing I just like to see is all the parts are like really delicate. So like maybe improve part structure, and yeah, that's what I'd like to say overall. Like, cause this piece is very delicate and it could break anytime. So all I want to say to whoever made it, just maybe make the pieces a little more, should I say, more sturdy on the bike. Then it would be an amazing build.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye!